Skiplagging. Repeat after me. Skiplagging. 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 Welcome to English Dictionary Infinity, where we help you perfect your pronunciation and expand your vocabulary, one word at a time. Skiplagging is a travel hack where a person books a flight with a layover and skips the second leg to save money. For example, instead of booking a direct flight to your destination, you book a cheaper flight with a layover and just don't board the final flight. Think of it like this. If you want to fly to New York, but a ticket to Boston with a layover in New York is cheaper, you just get off in New York and skip the Boston flight. In a sentence, she saved hundreds by skiplagging. She booked a ticket to Chicago with a layover in Atlanta, but never boarded the second flight. Here, skiplagging helped her save money by only using part of her journey. Let's try another example. Skiplagging can be risky if airlines catch on, as they may cancel your return ticket. Synonyms. Now let's talk about words that mean the same thing. Some related terms could be hidden city ticketing, the technical term for skiplagging, flight loophole, taking advantage of airline pricing strategies, layover skipping, similar to skiplagging, skipping the second leg of a flight. The opposite of skiplagging would be words like direct flight, when you book a flight straight to your destination without any layovers. Standard booking, the normal way of booking flights and completing the entire journey. So while skiplagging is about skipping parts of your trip, these words describe more traditional travel methods. Part of speech. Skiplagging is a verb, which means it's an action, what someone is doing to save money on flights. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to keep building your vocabulary with us at English Dictionary Infinity. Don't forget to hit the notification bell for more words and pronunciation tips. See you next time.